Jai Shri Ram everyone, welcome back to my channel English with Desi Madam. My name is Rita and how are you doing guys? I hope you all guys are doing absolutely fine. So friends, in today's video we will discuss about a very common and very major problem faced by every English learner. So the problem is like this, ma'am, I can understand every single words in English, but when it comes to speak, so I hesitate. I forget some words, I forget some grammar rules, but when it comes to write, I can write English correctly. So how can we overcome this type of problem? Because I really want to speak in English fluently in front of the public, in front of our friends, family and others. So in today's video we will discuss about some reason behind this problem. Also we will discuss about what should we do to remove this type of problem and what should we do to enhance our speaking skill. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get into the topic. But before going to the topic, it's my humble request to all of you. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, so please do subscribe my channel, because these things gives me boost to create more and more valuable content for you every day. So watch the video right till then, don't skip the video. Okay friends, so let's get into the topic. Okay, so yes, let's talk about this topic, like I can understand every single words in English, but when it comes to speak, so I hesitate. So yes, behind this problem you have one biggest reason, that is you are thinking too much about the grammar, you are thinking about too much the correctness. If someone asks me a question, what is your hobby? So what I generally do, I think, okay, this is I answer simple present tense, okay, subject and verb, do, does. Okay, I play hockey. I like hockey. Yes. So how long have you been playing this game? How long? Present perfect continuous. Okay, so subject has been, have been, verb mein ing. Okay, so I have been playing hockey. Time, oh my god, time. I have been playing hockey for 2 years. I have been playing hockey for 2 years. Yes, you generally do this. But my dear friend, if you really want to speak in English fluently, so you need to just forget about the mistakes. So you need to just practice before speaking. If you really want to speak in English in front of the public, you need to practice in English in advance. Okay, I know there are many people they say, okay, how can we practice in English because I have no surroundings, I have no one with whom I can practice in English, and this is easy to say and difficult to done. But my dear friend, you can do this. So here I am going to give you some 4 points which will help you to enhance your speaking skill, also which will help you to reduce this type of problem that you are facing right now. Okay, now the very first thing that you should do, so you need to learn everything by the topic. Okay, learn everything by the topic. We have so many topics, like we generally want to do conversation with that topic, like friendship, like friend, weather, sports, favorite hero, favorite heroine, favorite movie, favorite game, favorite dress, favorite sport, favorite everything. We generally do conversation in our native language. Choose that topic in advance and take a notebook, choose a notebook and try to give section, okay, in your notebook. First section, there should be, friendship, second is family, third is weather, fourth is sports. Try to do practice by the topic. Yes, there are so many topics. Okay, you can choose your topic according to your interest. Okay, so yes, this is the best way to enhance your speaking skill, because if you do practice in advance, okay, so you can easily do conversation with someone, because you have a lots of idea in your mind, because you have a lots of vocabulary in your mind. Okay, so for this, what you need to do, first step is that learn English by the topic. I mean to say, I have told you so many topics here, like weather, sports, favorite movie, favorite hero, heroine, favorite sport, favorite. Okay, so first thing is that learn English by the topic. Second, and for learning English by the topic, you need to take a notebook, make a notebook and try to give some section in your notebook, and give one section, one topic like friendship. If you want to write some sentence about the friendship, so first section you need to write friendship and think about the sentence about the friendship. Okay, I have friends. Now let's add some others thing like add verb, like add adverb, adjective. Okay, you have a friend. So which kind? I have a awesome friend. I have a beautiful friend. Okay, how many? I have a lots of friend. Where your friend live? My friend lives generally around to me. Okay, you can enhance your section by adding some other thing like verb, adverb, adjective. Okay, and try to make your sentence try to enhance your sentence. Okay, in this way you can easily learn about that topic. You have a lots of sentences about that topic, but you have to do this thing very consciously, because subconscious it will not come to you. You had to give your effort initially time. Okay, so and if you are trying that, okay, it's very difficult to make some lots of sentence by adding verb, adverb and adjective. Now I'm going to give you a tool name which will help you to make lots of sentences in according to your topic. So the tool name is sdeck.com. This is a website. You need to just download this app or website and search about friendship for some sentences. And yes, now you will find that there are so many sentences like I have lots of friends, I have a group of friends, I have a beautiful friends, I have a group of friends for me, I have a awesome friend, I have a very clever friend. In this way you can find so many sentences about your topic right before you speak. Yes, if you really want to speak in that topic, you need to just write on your notebook. You have to do practice in advance, okay, in that particular topic. Yes, I know there are no one who can speak in English fluently around you because you are learning this language. So yes, you can really find people who can speak English fluently. Everyone speaks English like a secondary language. Okay, so yes, you need to just write before you speak. If you really want to get confidence, so you need to just practice about that subject that you are going to speak. Okay, now let's move on. Third step that is very important, and try to write some new words, some new phrases, some new vocabulary. If you find from somewhere, like you are reading a newspaper, you are listening a web series, you are watching TV, then whenever you get some words, new words, you get some phrases, then you have to write down on your notebook and try to revise that vocabulary phrase again and again. This will help you, believe me, this will help you to enhance your vocabulary. This will help you to make of how to frame a sentence structure in English. Okay, and this will help you to reading habit and listening habit, because once you find some words, that means you are listening that series very carefully. If you are reading a newspaper and you find new word, that means you are reading newspaper very carefully. Okay, now let's move on next topic, and next topic is that practice. Okay, this is a final and this is a biggest key that will help you to enhance your speaking in English. Okay, because I have shared with you so many tips, tricks, methods in my previous video, but at the end you are the one who is going to use that methods on applying that methods on your speaking skill. You have to work on it, you have to give your effort, you have to take struggle, you have to face something that you don't want to face for learning this language. But yes, this is true that you are the one who is going to learn this language. Then you have to face all the problem. Okay, but believe me, think about all the benefit that will come to you when you will master in English. So if you are facing some problem, that time please think about all the benefit that will come to you. Okay, and yes, I can say you that all the benefit, all the light of the gain will overcome your darkness of your pain that you are facing right now. Okay, so yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video. And last, I want to share with you one thing, that feel free to make mistake. Okay, yes, I know there are many people who can easily speak in English, who can speak in English fluently, but still they are making different kind of mistakes, and it happens. It's naturally happen, because if you are thinking like you are the only one who is facing this type of problem, no, it's not true. I am also facing this type of problem sometimes, and yes, I can say that I am improving, but I cannot say that I am perfect. Perfection is not your goal. Your goal should be like improvement. Okay, so yes, that's all I wanted to share with you in this video, and I hope you like my video. If you did so please give it a like to share with your friends and family, and let me know in the comment box how did you like my video, because I love to read your comments. So friends, we will meet you, we will see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Siya Ram.